got a decent little drive today. So looking forward to this drive. It's probably the last drive of the year. And maybe I'll be getting content in a different country soon. Watch this space. But let's start venting for the first time today. Mashallah, mashallah. Yeah. Every time I get in this car, I realise how much I love it. I thank God every day that He allows me to own a car like this, I tell you that. But yeah, I do love this car. So today we're going to be testing the Clio V6 and E46 M3, going for a nice little drive. You guys probably haven't seen this, as I've said before, but yeah, we're going for a nice drive. Wave to the camera. So we're going test the Clio V6. I'm trying something new with some Ray-Ban glasses kind of thing. So yeah, looking forward to it. Looking forward to see the two V6s, or one V6, one straight 6. M3's clearly faster, but what is a better driver car? So we shall see. So far, the M3 has been a joy to have. I have some BC racing coilovers that I've actually softened up a little bit, as they are a bit hard going over the bumps, and I think the actual reverb, or I don't even know what it's called, but basically the bounce was ridiculous when I first got the car. But it's now softened up a bit, and I will get the car set up once it has the new anti-roll bars on it, and also the Sherma drop links, because to be honest, the reason why I got the Sherma drop links is because I do want to make this car like, I don't know if you've seen that video of the E46 M3 where he's got the cams and strip cams and carbon intake. I spoke to him a bit, and his setup is beautiful. The only thing I will change is have the 18-inch rims on it, and that's what I'm going to aim for. But for now, this is more of a project, and definitely that's, I know what I'm going for. It's like a OEM plus CSL kind of take on this car. I do love the sound of the E46. Such a great sound. Listen to that. That is such an incredible sound, honestly. But as you can see, the balance of the Clio is proper on edge. How it's like always on this back wheel. But the M3, it's like a sharpened tool, just ready. Left foot brake is easy. It's such an awesome car, honestly. Probably you've seen the other video right now when I was driving in down south, and the way that car just grips, and that was the first time before even the parts were even on. It's such a good car, honestly, and the way it just hugs the road is technically crazy. What a sound. See, you can't really push the Clio as much as the M3, obviously. I think this car's got an upgraded diff, one thing I will say, because the car just revs so flipping quick, and like the diff has been taken out because it's got new bushings there. That lean. Go on, Dad. Clio is still a fun car, it's just the way it feels. My brakes are not really up to scratch yet, so I'm just trying to brake softly, take my time, enjoy the road. As you can hear, my brakes are squeaking. This car is like, I honestly say, and I'm not saying this because it's my car, it's one of the best cars of all time. Best cars. No one can tell me different. Still got enough torque to really get you out of hairpins. Like, the car is just incredible. Really is incredible. And the sound. Really, like, a lot of people don't like the sound. I'm telling you right now, this car is one of the best sounding M cars to come out. It's like a borderline touring car. The way it hugs the road, the way it grips, the stance of it out the box. Bear in mind, this has literally no modifications barring the BC racing suspension that hasn't been set up, and it still grips like a mother, you know what I mean? Sorry, I gotta swear there because I love this car. This car is just crazy. You can feel the dynamic. It makes you want to drive fast. It makes you want to enjoy the road. It's actually an amazing car. And this road, oh my god, oh, the brakes changed down to second. Hard on the brakes again, take it round, lean on the right tire. Hard on the brakes again, change that one. So well balanced. Wish I had better brakes, but the lean on the car is so flipping good. The way you can just lean on the car, it absorbs the bumps. How fast was this car in 2004? Like, honestly, like when this first came out, like there must have been nothing that could keep up with this. Like going around Nürburgring in this compared to all the other cars, even a 996 GT3, I'm sure when the CSL came out, it must have been struggling to keep up around there, like a basic one, not like a GT3 RS. I'm talking about a basic 996 GT3. It must have absolutely been a rocket, honestly. So, how do people hate on this car? How do people actually hate on this car? I love this car. Like, honestly, the step up from the E46 M3, and I love the E46 M3. I actually think it makes a better sound from the exhaust way. But what more do you want? Like, how fast do you really want to go? Because this car is just insanely quick. It handles, it grips the road. The way you can trust the chassis of it is incredible. Like, honestly, I've driven an E92 M3. That feels heavy, but obviously the big V8 is what you're after on that. However, this is light. It's nimble. It's not so much on its toes that it's like on the top of the ground. It feels like it's in the ground. I still think we can make it better, because I actually feel sometimes a bit safer in the Focus ST that I have. Funny enough, because that's been set up. However, I will say, I will give it to this. Like, I'm probably not even a good enough driver yet, in the sense of, this is my first real drive car. I'm learning how to really trust the back end. I'm learning how to drift in it. Like, you really got to upgrade and learn all those skills before you really understand how to drive this car. And I don't think I'm ready for it, in the sense of, I don't know how to drift properly, and I need to drive this harder for longer and faster. Pause. I actually forgot to record an outro, because I was probably just too tired and just wanted to eat. But keep loving machines, keep driving them, like, subscribe. I hope I see you next one. Peace and love.